Hello students, good morning. A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Hope you are all doing well. Children, as you know, I have completed chapter 5 and 6. Alright, and you all have done reading, explanation as well as question answer. Alright, now students, I am going to give you a task. Alright, as you know, this is computer subject, so you have to start your practical with this typing task. Okay, for that particular this task, I am going to give you this paragraph, one paragraph, small paragraph I am going to give you, and you, if you are having system, laptop, okay, so you all have to use this paragraph in order to typing. So students, see page number 10. Alright, page number 10. You all have to keep in mind. From here, computer or smart machine. Okay, you all have to type it in capital letter. So to type it in capital letter, you all have to use caps lock key. Okay, so you have to start your typing from here. Computer or smart machine, and then a computer is also a machine. It has different parts that work together to make a computer work. Alright, a computer allows us to do different tasks. We can play games, solve sums, make drawings, write stories, listen to music, and watch cartoons on a computer. So till here students, you all have to type. After typing, you have to take a photo of your typing and send it to WhatsApp group. Alright, आपको ये टाइप करना है. टाइप करने के बाद आपको अपने स्क्रीन का फोटो खींचकर WhatsApp करना है. Okay student, so let's start. I am going to show you how you have to type. So let's start.
This one.
See students, light is on now. Now it is on active mode, so you can start typing in capital letter. So I am typing, you people just see. Before that, I will increase the font size. COMPUTER. See students, how you have to put your both hands. Show here. Here this side you have to, this side keys you have to operate with this hand. Okay, left hand you have to use, and this side keys should be operated or should be used by this hand. It means right hand you have to use. So let's start typing students. Computer dash. So in order to use this dash students, dash is here. Dash. Okay, dash. So see the result, dash. I have put here dash in front of computer. Now I am going to type this, a smart machine. After typing this, I will change my paragraph. तो students, हमने आपको बताया है, in order to change your paragraph, you have to use enter key. So see students, enter key this one. I have to press it once. After pressing once, I will get my cursor or text cursor here to the next line. Now it is shifted over here. So from here, I can start typing. Okay. So students, as you can see, I have done it in capital letter. Now I am going to type it in small letter. So in order to type in small letter, we have to turn off this caps lock key. So I'll press it once. After pressing it once, it is turned off. It means, see here, you will not see the light. Okay, so it is a symbol that it is off now. So you can start your typing in small letter. students, I have taught you that you have to use this key in order to give space between your words or letters or sentences. So I'm going to press it once in order to give the key. See. A computer machine. Now full stop. It has See students, when you have finished your sentence, so you have to put here full stop. After completing a sentence, you have to give a full stop. So see, full stop I have put here. So see the key. With the help of this key, you can press full stop. And after, when I am going to write this, we can play games. After then I have to put here comma. So this is the comma symbol. So after pressing this key, I can get this comma symbol. See? Okay, now solve some if I have, see students, if I have put here comma, so it is wrong, so I have to erase it definitely. So when I am going to erase, so which key should be used? Of course students, to erase this mistake I have to use this backspace key in order to erase this mistake once. After pressing once, this comma has been removed from here. So I have finished my typing students. You all have to do the same. You have to type first. After typing, you have to take the picture of the screen and send it to WhatsApp group. Okay.